Okay, thought I'd show you how dangerous Aussie country roads can actually be. So this guy had a really bad day. Started off with, as he's going to work, 80 to 100 kilometres an hour. Roo jumps out of nowhere, smashes into the bonnet and the headlight here. Then later that day in the evening, as he's coming home from work, it's a wombat. Straight through the middle, damaging the radiator, AC, condenser, even the trans lines. So fitting one of these bull bar, roo bar, whichever you want to call it. Once you got your bumper off, these are the brackets that go into the secondary part of the brackets. They slide in here. So you have to cut some of this metal out in here. Yeah, line up. This hole here is where the old plastic was, which is, yeah, put a bolt in each side just to hold them in place, to get them in the right place, and then test fit the bar, make sure it's going to go in, and yeah, mark all your holes, drill, and how much you need to cut out from in here as well. If you do get one of these bars second hand, make sure it comes with all the brackets and bolts and everything. And you're also going to need extensions for the indicator lights. So you remove the ones from inside the headlight, extend them with these extensions to go with these indicator lights. Yeah. But yeah, getting on the next part, drilling some holes and cutting that little bit of metal out. So here we go. You can see I've drilled holes in the corners, so there's no sharp ends. Yeah. Lines up, plenty of room to go through. Awesome. Look at this. Makes a horrible noise, like an exhaust leak. Come in here looking for the exhaust leak. And guess what? No O2 sensor. There's one more thing. I got that from the wreckers along with all these bits. Radiator, aircon, and trans lines. Replace that. But yeah, so sound a bit better. Trans lines are going to be fun. Hopefully with everything out it'll be a bit easier and straight through. We'll see. Alright, so get the new trans lines in, and to do that you have to pull the through bolts out for the engine mounts and lift the engine a little bit, and then they'll go in. Have to go put on the low rad support. This is damaged pretty bad. Hit that hard that snapped the bolts off in the bracket. Getting them out. Oh yeah, getting there. Wow. As you can see, trans lines are in, radiator, aircon condenser, power steering, good. And brackets. Still have to adjust the aircon connections, new O-rings on. Need to rebend them a bit to get everything straight through. Yeah, put the fans back in. These are all on, so it's ready for the rebar. Bumper's already done, which I'll show you later. Yeah, pretty well everything back on. Another headlight, they actually changed both headlights because all the inner bits in here were busted, so the grille wasn't going properly. This is the bumper that's already cut for this bar. Luckily it's red. We managed to save the guard. Pulled a fair bit of the damage out, straight enough to get the guard back on straight. Yeah. get the bar back on, see how it looks. Good. See if that guard, doesn't look so bad now. Silver bonnet, silver grill. It's awesome. Alright, so most of the back together. See, fans are in. To get all new components for the intake and everything. Quite a lot of stuff missing. But yeah, this is just damage, body damage. It's not all of it's here. Some stuff like the aircon condenser, low rad support, and even the fans were binned straight away because they were literally a bloody mess. But yeah, so besides them, bonnet, bumper, yeah, low rad support, aircon condenser, radiator, see, transmission lines, pretty well flattened in there. The grill, the only difference between you, one had like badly damaged and the other one damaged so it won't hold the grill anymore. The side skirt, this is a Marlin too, so it's 5 class stuff. A bit harder to repair. All you gotta do is give them a little push. Pretty massive amount of damage. That's why one of these bars, damn good thing. Save you a hell of a lot of money. Anyway, they have a EL barra conversion manual too, coming up soon. So don't forget to like and subscribe, all that stuff. Cheers guys, bye.
It's their own fault, now they're fucked. The streets fill with evil's mind.